I'm at Lotte Mart District 7. This is quite downtown, central Saigon. District 7 is just like 15 minutes. That's it right from District 1. And let's explore this supermarket. And then the super city or the mall here. There's a Kohahu sashimi restaurant. And then here will be the candy. There's a supermarket here, Lotte Mart. Lotte Mart is from Korea. Outside here, they have some luggages, men's shirts, and also they sell the leather products in the Lotte Mart. There are also some other women's clothes here. And the P&J jewelry, diamonds, and the Fulong Cafe. A koi milk tea. There's a currency exchange at the corner. There's total of 3 levels. Let's go up to second and third floor. Free Wi-Fi, no smoking. I see mostly restaurant beside the cinema. Ice Sushi Japanese restaurant, the Don Chicken, Sayaka. It's a buffet and a hot pot. These are the prices. The Gogi Gogi Korean restaurant, Kichi Kichi buffet concept where you have a little hot pot there, and then you choose your dish from the rotating dishes. Moving on, this is the Doki Korean Tteokbokki buffet. The price is really like affordable. Let's see the price: 139,000 for adults and 69,000 for children. This is like less than $5 US. Let's go to level 2 now and check out what they have. You can also take the lift beside the escalator. I believe level 2 they have a Lotte Mart as well, and some other shops. There's a Far store and nice decorations here. That's the main entrance, by the way. The Far Sabu store is quite big, extend to this side also. They sell bags, books, and some other soft toys. There's a My Kingdom for the kids. The mini good kind of all-in-one store. The plush toys, spectacles, snacks, and much more. And then Lotte Mart is just here again in level 2. Just excited to see what is in front. I think I saw a little arcade or something. But before that, this is the Lotte Mart once again. Tiny, Molly, Fantasy. Nice little arcade for the kids. And adults as well as children. Then there's a kids zona. By the way, this is a trolley of Lotte Mart. They are quite big. There's a massage chair also. There's a new addition. Last year I didn't see it. Let's explore the mini good. I'm going in now. I'm inside mini good now. They sell some cute slippers, sandals, even the Haidilao noodles. Some plush toys once again. Really cute. These are the stuff sold in the mini good. So let's go down to level 2 from. Let's go down to level 1 from level 2. I hope the weather is good. Past 2 days have been raining in the afternoon and night, especially 2 days ago. It's already like end June, so 2 more days will be the 1st of July, will be the new start. And then hope everyone will be healthy and peaceful. By the way, if you enjoyed this video so far, can subscribe to my channel, give a like and share it. Share the video so that more people will also enjoy this video. This is Lotte Mart in District 7, Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City. And we are approaching level 1 in a short while. There's a Highlands coffee at the corner. And then you can sit here, relax. There's free Wi-Fi as well. It's like 30 minutes past 4 p.m. So there's not much of a crowd, and moreover it's weekday. Level 1, I see the Guardian, New Balance. Surprisingly, at level 1 there are more shops than level 2 and 3 combined together. I guess because there are more crowd here. There's Adidas. Let's check out the exterior of Lotte Mart. Just now I saw some shops right outside the entrance here. Oh, this is Starbucks, by the way. So the residents in District 7 have a lot of choices. Reaching the entrance exit, the security, and then Manhua Taiwanese hot right here. Oh, there seems to be a mini fair. 20 Juice Bakery. I like the birthday cakes. I bought a few last time. There's some toys for the kids. These I'm not sure. You see KB, Dot, Lady Manju. Some of the pastries. Gundam Tanghulu. Baba Roti. Matcha. 5-star fried chicken. We share ice cream. Some rice. And then a locker. And there's the area for the motorbikes. All the stuff here, just give me this sample of maybe phone noodles to try it. Some nice decoration, and opposite will be the Sunrise apartment. It's actually high end. The nice Starbucks stuff here. Lots of tumblers. They sell some other pastries. I saw a burger as well, the pork. Let's just explore Lotte Mart a while before I head to District 1 in a short while. I mean later. Wow. It seems that there's always some crowd here. No matter what time of the day, from morning until the time they close at 10 p.m. I like the sushi here. Let's check out. Right at the left side. There's a lot of sushi here. Over 20 varieties. There are some nice bakeries, lots of pastry items. I think some residents just come here for Lotte Mart shopping. They do not go actually for see the movies, but it depends on the individuals. One thing about shopping in Lotte Mart, there are samples that you can try. Food samples. This will be the seafood, the fruits and vegetable section. I tried some drinks and some food here, the free samples. The vegetable here look quite fresh. The lettuce and so on, and now it's the seafood section. And then there's level 2 as well. Let's go to level 2 from level 1 by taking this lengthy elevator. Alright, just reached level 2 once again. We have free food samples. A large variety of food samples and drinks. Instant noodle cooking oil. And ahead will be the makeup zone, cosmetic and household items. Lots of snacks here. A beautiful rotating music containers. Yeah, some kids' clothes here. And some other stuff than the men's clothes. Lots of stuff here, men's clothes, women's clothes. At the level 2. Helmets. Even the bags for the pets. Stationery, toys. Oh, I think the kids will love it. So many soft toys here. Capybara, Ultraman. Even the toys, the cars. Dog's food. Helmets. Wow, lots of helmets here. Oh. Household items, frying pans, kettles, shower foam, and more. Rusty wet glasses. Oh man, look at these giant prawn crackers. Let's go to the snack section from here. Lots of snacks. This is the seaweed. Let's go to the snack section from here. Lots of snacks. This is the seaweed. I like the way they arrange these snacks here. It's very like beautiful. And these are the artists in Vietnam. It seems that Lotte Mart is actually promoting all these jumbo size potato chips and other snacks. I even see this ultra big ramen. In front is napati, one of my favorite snacks. Wow, potato chips. Some cereals over here. The drinks right here. They even sell the bird nest and vitamin drink here. So level 2 is actually quite white here. You can actually test, those rooms, right? You can actually, it's a fitting room. You can actually try the shirts inside. And let's take a look at the price. 199,000 for the men's t-shirt. They may sell the pajamas for the women ladies. So I'll end the video today for the Lotte Mart Nam Saigon District 7. It's a nice experience to shop and experience the stuff here. This is the exterior of the Lotte Mart. So take care everyone, have good health and happiness every single day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.